Welcome everyone to your fifth Adobe Photoshop tutorial, the menu bar. In this tutorial, we will get to know more about the menu bar and we will study a little bit about guides and grids. So let's start. The first over here is the file menu. From this menu, you can create new document, open an existing document. You can open an existing document and change its name. While opening it, you can share your screen, create new review, close, save, import and export. And one thing that we left here was browse in Bridge. Now Bridge is Adobe Bridge. It is a software which helps you to view the files or navigate through them more easily. Let's select it. As you can see, if we click here, press play over here, we can preview the clip. We have all the clips over here. It is easy to manage and so on. So the bridge basically helps us to navigate and import files more easily. Let's move on. We have edit, which allows us to, we can undo our actions and go back to the way it was. Cut, copy, paste, all those basic things. And what we have here is the fill. Now the fill is basically, it fills our canvas with a specific color that we want. Like that, use foreground color, hit OK, and as you can see, our canvas became black from white because black was filled into the white. Let's revert it. Let's do the fill again and hit OK. The next is the image. It allows us to do adjustments to the image. We can change its modes, put on adjustments, tone it, change its size, its rotation, duplicate, and all those things. The next up is the layer. Now this helps us to create new layers. Layer, new layer. From here we can create new layer. We can duplicate an existing layer. We can make a layer which will contain a solid color. So it is same as the fill option, but the difference is that in this fill option it gets filled in the layer selected, but in this there will be created a new layer with the same color filled into it. Now in select, we can make selections. For example, select all, it will select everything. As you can see, it selected the whole canvas. We can deselect it, we can inverse it, and we can select it according to colors. So let's just deselect it. We go to view. We can zoom in, zoom out, fit on screen. All these options will manipulate the size of the canvas. For example, we zoom in, canvas became large. We zoom out, canvas became small, and we fit to screen, the canvas will be fit to the space given here. The window contains all the windows and panels that we can open up over here, and the help contains the help documents that we can go to get the Adobe Photoshop help. Thank you for watching.